Okay, so we're back. I couldn't record earlier because yeah, but I just ran from base to outpost. So yeah, now I'm gonna run back, get more scrap, probably make it a montage, and then actually yeah, I'll make it a montage, and then I'll get back to base. I'm gonna ride the oh, that scared me. Okay, well, not doing that again. Can I make bandages? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna turn this into a montage and then keep recording. Okay, I'm back. 100, oh, that was good. Tier 1, what do I need for it? Tier, oh wait, I have it in favorites. Tier 1, I need metal and wood. I need to get a furnace. Oh, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put everything in there. Take that out. Put the components in there instead. And then now I'm gonna go farm for what's it called? Low grade. So probably another montage of that. I'm back at base, and I have enough low grade now, so I'm gonna make the furnace and start smelting. Oh, I need wood, and I'm gonna start smelting all the metal I have. Get that crafting out, put all that back. I was gonna recycle, but if you did, you probably heard that car that drove by, so I didn't go. Just need to wait a little. Where can I put it? Wait, let me move that crate. I'm gonna pick this up now. So my recording stopped for some reason. So yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, I need to start smelting this metal and get more wood. Actually, I could get more wood now. Put that in, put that in. I'll just put that there for now. That. This stuff. No, that. Ooh, wait, I need to put that up. That goes in, that goes in. What else? That. Pickaxe. Okay. Now I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna go get some wood now. I'm gonna make another montage of it though, so. Enough wood now. I'm gonna put 1,000 into the furnace and the other into the TC. Oh, it's already finished. Put that in, and yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe.